Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. It's a problem when you have too much roof area dumping down into one gutter with only one downspout. All the water from that roof would hit this gutter and it would overflow onto the patio. And what I needed to do was create another outlet for all that water coming into this. So I took and I added what's called an outlet and an elbow. And then I brought my downspout over to an existing downspout. And I kind of whacked away at it, but I cut the aluminum so that it didn't stick in very far. This downspout joins with that downspout. And of course it goes down into one of my famous underground downspouts, which filters out the debris and it exits out into a strainer. I installed this system about 10 years ago. I just needed to take a little pressure off that gutter by adding the extra downspout. I will not get overflowing water coming onto my patio during a heavy rain. So whenever you have a gutter that can handle all of the water flow, and the gutter seems to be fine and it's not full of leaves and debris, it just may be like my problem. I have too much surface area going into one gutter. So the secret here is, if you can't handle all that water, add another outlet. Pretty easy to do, as I have to get it out on the lawn. But you get rid of that excess water, your gutter won't overflow, your basement or crawl space will now be drier. So there you have it. Quick tip from MrHardware.com. Finn, where was I working when I did this job? On the roof. So Finn, what do you think of the job? Rough. It wasn't rough. It was pretty nice.